let, var and const. So var, var, let and const. So first of all, we will know about what is var, let and const, how we can use var, let and const, and why we use var, let and const. So first of all, I will explain what is var. So var is a old way, we can say like old way, and ES5 and before we can use. And var is used to declare variables. Declare variables. It is a function scope visible within the function it is defined in, and it gets hoisted, moved on the top of its scope, but initialized as undefined. So var is a used to used to declare variables. Okay, and basically why how to use var? So we can use var and we can give any variable name, just like Ria, and this type we can declare our var. And how we use it is completed, and now I will explain why we should be careful, like why we use var. So it can lead to bugs due to its function scope and hoisting. It can be redeclared and updated, which may cause unexpected behavior. Like I'll explain in online compiler. Yes, online compiler. How it will give unexpected behavior. Okay, no worries. I am writing the code here. Okay. So basically, I'm showing what is the unexpected behavior. Unexpected behavior means, like if I like write console.log x, and then I define the value of x, so it will give output undefined because it is hoisted. So I will explain in another video what is hoisting and what is the work of the hoisting. So that is the work of var. And now I will explain what is let. So let is modern way. We can say like modern way in ES6. And what is it? Like let is used for variable that can change mutable. And it is block scope only accessible within a block where it is defined. Like it is also hosted but not initialized. Accessing in before declaration causes a reference error. It is giving the if we will accessing it before declaration, it's called giving a reference error. So let is used for variable that can change. How we can use, like let age equal to, let's say like 26, Like that we can declare with let variable. And why we use let variable? So it is used for like safer than var for most use cases. Like if we use var, it is comfortable, but it is like in var safer than var most of use cases, and it helps avoid bugs by limiting variable scope. Like I'm giving one example, like if else condition, like if true, let city, let's say city equal to Bangalore, and then console dot log, let's say city, and then again console dot log city. So in first console I will get console dot log city, so output will give Bangalore, but in that case output will generate reference error. Reference error. Why it will give reference error? As I said, it is only supported like accessing in before declaration. It is only supported to curly braces. Okay, and it is not supported to if I will declare within in curly braces, so it will give the output. Other than if I will accessing it before declaration, it will causing the reference error. The next one is a const. Like yeah, so const we can say like constant. Like it is also came in ES6. Like what is const? The question is what is const? So const is for constant values, like unchangeable reference. It is also block scope and must be initialized at the time of declaration. Okay, so let's say const is for constant values. And next is how we can use const. So basically we can use const like const p I, like let's give it example from pi value like 3.14, and like that we can declare const. And why we use const? So we use const because prevents accidental reassignment and encourages immutable and useful in modern code. Let's say like const fruit, like I'm giving one example from array const fruits, like with let's say apple, let's take apple, and then second is banana. And if we will fruit dot push orange, and if we will write like that fruits equal to grape grape. So now it, in this case it will allow. but in this case it will give type error. So that's the const const work. That's all about var, let and const. Thank you.